So what a modern tech stack looks like, if we start from kind of that bottom layer again, that level 0 through 2 layer, that biggest challenge is unlocking, let's say, that manufacturing moment, the moment it happens, down to that, let's say, micro millisecond minute level, and being able to unlock that into other MES systems and ERP systems. And so as we look at that bottom section, PLCs and CNC equipment and sensors and robots, all of that information can be transferred up into a modern, let's say, machine monitoring platform that then can connect and converse with MES systems, which may include a maintenance system and a quality system. Take that data basically and abstract that in a way where it can be digested into that MES or ERP system. Super important. So on a plant level, being able to take that abstraction of that data, transfer it to an MES level so it makes sense, so we can have insights, and then even above and beyond that, the plant level, taking that to the enterprise level, and to be able to make those longer term business decisions and be able to realize the impact of that information coming from the plant floor.